Once upon a time, in a small village between lush valleys and tall mountains, there lived a man named Amir. Everyone in the village knew him for his amazing garden. It was full of bright colors and healthy plants that seemed to grow really well, even when it was hard. But what made Amir special was his strong belief in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's plan. Amir's garden was famous in the village. People said that even the most delicate flowers could grow well under his care and become very beautiful. But what they didn't know was that Amir had faced challenges and learned important lessons about trust from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When Amir was a young boy, he discovered that he loved gardening. He would spend a lot of time taking care of his plants, giving them water and attention, but sometimes his efforts didn't work out. The seed he planted wouldn't grow, and the plant he cared for would die. Feeling sad because of these failures, Amir went to an old wise man named Hakim. Hakim was known for being very knowledgeable about nature and the teachings of Islam. Amir talked to Hakim about his problems and his wish to have a successful garden. Hakim listened carefully and then told Amir, "Remember, Amir, in everything you do, trust Allah's plan. Tawakkal is not only about the results but also about believing in Allah's wisdom, no matter what happens." Amir took Hakim's advice seriously. He kept planting and taking care of his garden, but he started looking at it differently. He understood that the success of his garden was not only up to him, but it was what Allah has decided. As time went by, Amir's garden started to thrive. The dry ground that used to be there now produced all kinds of fruits, and colorful flowers bloomed like magic. People from far away came to see the beauty of Amir's garden and to ask him for advice about gardening. One summer, a very serious drought hit the village. Water was hard to find and gardens were drying. Amir's garden was also in danger, but Amir didn't lose hope. While others were getting worried and sad, he kept taking care of his garden and trusted that Allah would help. One night, while looking at the stars in the sky, Amir prayed for rain, and the next morning, clouds appeared and rain fell from the sky. It gave water to the land, and Amir's garden not only survived but also thrived. This showed that how much his strong faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala meant. After many years, Amir became older and he was not feeling well. He called the villagers to talk to them. With a happy smile, he said, "Friends, remember that life has its ups and downs, just like the changing seasons. But no matter what happens, always trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, just like my gardens survived the drought. Your faith will help you get through hard times." And so, Amir's story stayed in the heart of the villager. They did not just remember his beautiful garden, but they also learned about the importance of having trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They understood that true success comes not only from controlling everything, but from believing in the wisdoms of the one who takes care of the whole world. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the tawfiq to have a great tawakkal like Amir. Ameen Sumami. Jazakallahu khairan.